going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and you're watching a video and camera test of the BlackBerry KEY2 raw and uncut. I'll probably have to mash them together, but this is the front-facing camera in 1080p, 30 frames per second. So you guys let me know how the quality is. How does everything look? Here at the park right now. Just want to show you guys how everything is on the front-facing camera. Now let's go into the rear and then to the pictures. Pop. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Alan Anthony. We're looking at the rear-facing camera of the BlackBerry KEY2 in 1080p, 30 frames per second. So you guys let me know, what do you guys think? I'm gonna zoom up to these leaves, see how everything looks. I'm using the video mode, 1080p of course. It's a little bit washed out on the viewfinder. I'm not sure if you guys are seeing the same thing, but I'm gonna head over to these little yellow things that everybody always tends to. I'm gonna go all the way close. Let's see if it focuses in like a macro type shot. Zoom back out, do a slow pan across. It's a very, very hot day today. So you guys let me know how the quality is and what do you think about the audio. BlackBerry KEY2. And I believe that in 1080p you still have like the stabilization option. And after you hit like the 4K or even like the 60 frames per second, it turns off. So I'm gonna walk a little bit fast and just see how the stabilization is. Head into this right here. Alright, having problems focusing there. There you go. Alright, now we're gonna go on to the pictures and let's see what happens.